Imagine running an online store, selling products worldwide without buying inventory, renting a shop, or packaging items yourself. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that business model is called dropshipping, and in 2026, it's still one of the easiest ways to start an online business. In this video, I'll explain what dropshipping is, how it works, and how beginners can start in 2026 even with a small budget. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is an online business model where you sell products without keeping inventory. Instead of buying products first, you simply list them on your online store. When someone buys from your store, the order goes to your supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to your customer. You keep the profit difference. This means you never touch the product. Example of how dropshipping works. Let's say supplier price equals $10. You sell it online equals $25. When someone buys from your store, customer pays you to $25, you pay supplier to $10. Supplier ships product to the customer, your profit equals $15, and you didn't even store the product. Why dropshipping is popular in 2026. Here are some reasons many people love dropshipping. 1. Low startup cost. You don't need money for inventory. You only pay when you make a sale. 2. Work from anywhere. You can run a dropshipping business using your smartphone, laptop, and internet connection. 3. Thousands of products to sell. You can sell almost anything. Fashion, gadgets, beauty products, home accessories, fitness products, and 4. Easy to scale. Once your store starts selling, you can increase marketing and grow quickly. What you need to start dropshipping in 2026. Here are the basic things you need. 1. Online store. You can create a store using platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, or Shopify. These platforms allow you to easily create an e-commerce website. 2. Product supplier. You need a supplier that will ship the products. Popular suppliers include AliExpress and Zendrop. They store and ship the products for you. 3. Payment gateway. To receive payments from customers, examples include PayPal, Paystack, and even bank transfers. 4. Marketing. You need people to see your store. Popular marketing methods: social media marketing, influencer marketing, paid ads, content marketing. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and more are commonly used to promote dropshipping products. Are you asking, is dropshipping still profitable in 2026? Yes, but only if you do it correctly. In 2026, successful dropshippers focus on winning product, strong branding, good marketing strategy, fast suppliers. Dropshipping is no longer about randomly posting products. You need to build a real brand and customer trust. Here are some beginner tips for success. If you want to start dropshipping in 2026, choose a specific niche. Research winning products. Build a clean online store. Focus on good product marketing. Always test products before scaling. And then, in conclusion, dropshipping is still one of the easiest ways to start an online business. You don't need inventory, you don't need a warehouse, you don't need huge capital. All you need is the right product, the right supplier, and smart marketing. Sounds interesting, right? So if you want to learn how to start dropshipping step by step, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. I'll be sharing more videos about online business, tech, and digital income strategies. Also check the link in the description for more guides.